habits, offering a truly tailored service. Next, AI takes the wheel in maintaining vehicles. By continuously monitoring vehicle health, it can predict potential problems before they become major issues. This proactive approach reduces downtime and costs, contributing to a hassle-free driving experience. But AI doesn't stop at efficiency and maintenance. It goes a step further to predict user behavior. By understanding patterns in driving habits, destinations, and times, AI can provide personalized recommendations. It can suggest the best times to drive, optimal routes, and even preemptively reserve parking spaces. In essence, AI is doing more than just enabling pay-as-you-go models. It's enhancing the entire user experience. From ensuring fair billing and robust security to managing subscriptions and predicting user behavior, AI is the unseen co-pilot in this journey, making every ride smoother, safer, and more enjoyable. AI is not just enabling this new model, but also enhancing the overall user experience. To sum up this exciting shift in car ownership, we've journeyed through the evolving landscape where traditional ownership is making way for more flexible models. By merging technology with convenience, the pay-as-you-go car model has emerged as a frontrunner, transforming how we view and utilize personal transportation. This innovative model, much like a subscription service, allows users to pay for only what they use, bringing affordability and flexibility to the forefront. The heart of this revolution is artificial intelligence, which plays a crucial role in making this model not just feasible, but highly efficient. AI's ability to analyze and predict usage patterns, facilitate dynamic pricing, and manage vehicle maintenance schedules ensures a seamless user experience. It's the primary driver behind this transformation, enabling a shift from ownership to usership. As AI continues to advance, we can expect even more changes to the way we own and use cars. The future of car ownership is here, and it's more flexible, convenient, and exciting than ever.